And here's the Middle Eastern fooder full version. Hi ladies and gentlemen, today's recipe is going to be full, which is not the English word, of course.
Are you serious?
Full is consisted of fava beans mainly, with other ingredients. Today I'm going to do my own version of full. Full is actually a very traditional recipe and it is well known in all Arabic countries almost. For the ingredients we need, canned fava beans. This version comes with chickpeas and fava beans as well. I prefer it. And if you don't find this can of fava beans, you can take the fava bean version only. We need chopped tomatoes. We need green pepper and 2 cloves of garlic. We need hard-boiled eggs, chopped parsley, salt, lemon, and tahini. First I'm gonna open the can of fava beans. I'm going to get rid of some of its water. I'll put it in a pan to heat it for 5 minutes. I prefer this kind of pottery plates. First, I'm going to add the green peppers. I'm going to add some salt. Then I'm going to smash the peppers, as you can see. And I'm going to smash the garlic as well. This is the result I'm looking for. Now I'm going to add the lemon juice, some of it. And the degga sauce is ready. Now I'm going to smash the fava beans. As you can see, I prefer not to use the blender because I want to maintain the texture of the fava beans and the chickpeas. I don't need them to be soft. Now it's ready. This is the texture I'm looking for. Now I add the rest of the lemon, a pinch of salt, I add some of the degga sauce. Some of the tomatoes. I add some of the eggs. On top I add the rest of the tomatoes. Some parsley, Then I add the tahini on top. And now I add the dega sauce on top. Then I add the olive oil. And here's the Middle Eastern fooder full version. You can eat that with pita bread, with saj bread, with any kind of a bread. You can eat that accompanied with falafel, and it's very delicious.